think we all use signaling.
Yeah.
In some way, and I think that's an interesting dynamic. I know that we recently had some teachers come in and observe some of the teachers in our math department, and in our debrief section, they asked, like, do you have meetings about hand signals? And we were like, no, it's just something that happens by just getting into each other's classrooms or observing other teachers. You pick up little things. I know that my first 2 years of teaching here in California with the BITSA program, I was able to get into some other classes, and some of the things that I observed veteran teachers doing, I still use. And I'm just constantly, when I get an opportunity to visit another classroom, looking at what's happening at the mathematics and the learning, but also what are the classroom management tricks that are taking place.
I would agree. So many of the teacher tricks that I saw in my own video, I saw in other videos, just, the thumbs up for if I understand something, thumbs down if I disagree, or if I just don't agree that it's correct. I was trying to think of like silent agreement and silent disagreement. I use that in my class. And all of those things I've seen in other classes, actually through the Noyce Foundation's work in the Silicon Valley Math Initiative. That's where I picked up pretty much all of the tricks that I have for math and how to run a class.
I was impressed at how engaged all of the kids were. In my school, we have a fairly high-performing school, and I kind of start to expect that. But getting to see other classrooms and seeing these same strategies and the hand signals and other things that the teachers are doing, and I'm hearing, because the mics are planted on desks, you're hearing either no conversation or the side conversations are about the math, and I just love it. And they're not talking about the Jonas Brothers.
Yeah. For me, it was also the questioning. Like, I know early on in teaching, I thought a lot of teaching was just telling kids what to do, like, this is how you do it. And like to see other teachers, the way they taught was through questions, was really, like, I like that. Like, the more I teach, and I'm still, I'd say, a beginning teacher. I like to consider myself still a beginning teacher because there's so much I'm learning. But the questions are really the meat of everything that you do.